The results of underfermented bread. This is how it looks like after 12 hours of cold proof. There are a lot of bubbles on the top. Let's top it over and see how it looks like. The dough just fell flat onto the baking sheet, which already tells you that this is underfermented. I'm going to cut it on two sides from the top. Then I place it in the oven at 230 degrees Celsius for the first 30 minutes, lid on, and then lid off 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. As you see, the bread looks flat. Let's cut into it and see how the crumb looks like. Not bad, but a flatbread. Let's give it a shot. I topped it with fresh cheese and spring onions, and it tastes absolutely blissful.